And actually, though, Herm, you had to share a room with Shep last night, did you not? And you had to endure perhaps something that no man or woman should have to endure, but unfortunately, due to the marital bounds and the law, Shep's wife has to endure. And I think you recorded it, didn't you? Didn't you give us a little thing here?
Oh, wow. That's me? I didn't bring my CPAP.
Oh, my goodness. I mean, I would have called the plumber or something to fix that.
I'm looking at the ceiling at 4 o'clock in the morning. But we made it. And
Hang on.
Shep said I snore too.
Let me read you my text to my wife this morning. Hang on. Give me a second.
She already knows I snore.
I'm sure. So this is this morning at 6:49. I'm going to try to sleep about an hour now. Hermie has snored all night, and I haven't slept a wink. That was at 6:49.
So you heard what I recorded.
Yeah, I think.
And he's going to try to say he didn't sleep a wink. Okay.